Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you are all fine. This is your biology class and we are doing chapter 6, Nutrition in Mammals. The topic for today's discussion is the liver and the gallbladder. Students, basically liver and gallbladder are organs and glands which are associated with the gut. So students, if we talk about liver, then we can say liver is a gland. And you know that gland is a cell, a tissue or an organ that secretes a chemical substance, and that substance is known as secretion of the gland. So here liver is a gland and this is called a gland because it has some secretions which we will discuss today. So students, for your information I am going to tell you that liver is the largest gland in your body. All the glands which are present in your body are small as compared to liver because liver is the largest gland in the body. If we talk about the color of liver, then it is dark red and is made up of 5 lobes. So color of liver is dark red and lobes which are present in liver are 5 in number. So out of these 5 lobes, 3 lobes are present on the right side and 2 lobes are present on the left side. If we talk about the location of liver, then we can say, students, this is your liver, this pink or red color part. So we can say it lies immediately below the diaphragm to the right side of the body, and its upper surface touches the diaphragm. Here you can observe upper surface is touching the diaphragm and the lower surface is in contact with the stomach and the small intestine. So this small intestine will attach to the lower surface of the liver and 3 blood vessels, and these 3 blood vessels have name. Number 1, hepatic portal vein, number 2, hepatic vein, and number 3, hepatic artery. So these are 3 blood vessels which are attached to your liver. So this was the location of your liver. Now if we talk about the secretion, then liver cells secrete bile. Basically bile is alkaline. Alkaline mean it is basic in nature. So if we check the pH of bile, it will always be more than 7 because it is alkaline or basic. And the color of bile is greenish yellow. It's not proper yellow, it's not proper green. In fact, it is greenish yellow. And it is in liquid form, contain bile salts and bile pigments. And the color greenish yellow of bile is just because of bile pigments. So it doesn't contain any enzymes, and due to absence of enzymes it cannot digest food. So if we talk about the function of bile, we can say the function of bile is to not digest food, but it aids in the digestion of fats. It will help for the digestion of fats. So students, bile pigments are waste products and are removed with feces. And you also know that there is an organ which is called gallbladder present in your body, and the function of gallbladder is to store that bile and release it when it is required. If we talk about its removal, then bile pigments are waste products and it will be removed with the feces. Now if we talk about the storage of bile, as I have told you about gallbladder, bile is stored temporarily in the gallbladder. So the gallbladder is a greenish yellow bag which is attached to the liver, and when the gallbladder contracts, the bile flows into the duodenum via the bile duct. So gallbladder will controls by its contraction and relaxation of releasing of bile, and the bile will help us to digest fats. So the liver has many other important functions which we will discuss later. This was all about the liver and the gallbladder. I hope you understand it, but if you find any difficulty you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.